As we all know, technology progresses as we speak. My question to you is, how does that have an effect on your company? Should you keep what you've got? Or should you keep up with the latest technology? The simple answer is, if you want your company to grow, then you need to grow with technology. That's just the way it is. A case in point are the remarkable features on the all-new heat press available at am.co.za. Let me show you why this machine is so unique compared to its predecessors. Now I no longer need to wait for the element to cool down before I put another t-shirt on. I simply just pull it out, put a new t-shirt, push it back in, and I just press and I repeat the process. It makes life so much easier. Oh, and by the way, it's got this robust handle which allows me to pull it out so that I no longer need to burn my fingers. That's always helpful. Look at this, quite fancy. Once my timer is up, it automatically releases, making my life 10 times easier. Another thing I wanted to mention is, this is no longer a 38 by 38 press. This is a 40 by 50 press, obviously leaving you with a bigger press size. So, let's put this machine through its paces and see what it can do. Me, personally, I like it. But most importantly, what do you think about it? Why don't you come on through to the shop? Maybe give me a call. Let's take it from there.